Let us begin lesson 8.10, graph inequalities. Please write down today's date, that is 22nd Feb there. It's a very, very simple lesson, class. You don't need to worry at all. I think so. We might finish it very quickly. All right. So please read it out. Alia, can you read this question? Forest fires are? Okay. Vatin, read this out.
I think, Miss, when the name of Ghalia is with the English, her mic is like she can't read.
All right. You read the question. She's listening.
Forest fire are most likely to occur when the air temperature is greater than 60% F. The inequality T more than 60 represent the temperature T in degrees.
So when I say, wait a minute, when you reach here, you read here, temperature is greater than 60. So temperature is representing by T greater than 60. I will write T greater than 60. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
and F is of course the Fahrenheit for which forest fires are mostly. We have the solution there. Solution there. Now, you know that what do we do, girls? We make a number line. If in case the number line is not given to you, what do? You make a number line because you have 60, you write from 0 to 100. You write from, girls,
0 to 100.
even if you write 0, 5, 10, 15, it's okay. But why to make such a big number line? You just write 0 to 100 and then you put a circle. You put a circle here near 60. And then why do I move to right side? This is my question here, and this is the only thing what you're learning in this lesson. If it is greater than, I'll write here, if it is greater than, move to the right side. Go forward. If it is less than, go backward, that is left side. This is the rule of this lesson, guys. This is what you will do in this lesson. Did you get my thing? What I explained, did you understand? Again,
Yes.
if it is greater than, you need to go forward, that is, you will go to right side. Or else you will go for?
It's okay, so T is more than 60.
More than 60. That means the number has to be more than 60, like 61, 62. So it is after. So that's why you go to right side. When it is a
right side.
Especially when it is positive value and greater than. If it is greater than, this is greater than, you have to go to get positive value, sorry, to the right side. Understand, clear?
Yes.
All right. Ghalia, can you just write it down there in the chat box, whether you understood or not? Anyways. Draw an empty circle at 5. It shows y less than 5. Very simple. When it is less than 5 means the numbers are 4, 3, 2 and you have to go to the left side. Simple. When it is less than, you have to go to left side. And where will you go till the end? You'll go till the end. It can be -8, -3, infinite. Finished?
Yes.
I wish Malak and Lean be here. Because this is a new concept again. Anyways, they will watch the video. How much do I wait?
Miss?
Yes, dear. Yes. I can hear
I
you.
can't hear you, miss.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh,
But you're lagging.
Maybe the internet connection. I will check if the connection is okay or not.
Okay.
Please. Vatin, can you hear me properly?
Yes.
Just a moment.
Now I can hear you a little.
continue with this connection. If something goes wrong, I will come with the another connection, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, similarly, this is again not from your textbook, okay? If you want, take a picture and please try to see here. And I will, one by one, I'm going to explain you. When it is k less than 8, I told you less than means put
Left side.
8 first. Now, where is 8? Positive 8. Take the pen, put the circle near the 8. Where is 8? It is 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is somewhere here. So I put my circle here and then I move to the left hand side. I don't go to the right. Why I move to the left? Because it is less than. I go to the last left. Now r is greater than or equal to 6. I will start from 6 and I'll go till n because it is greater than. Here it is less than 3, equal to 3. I'll go to 3. I'll put my mark to 3 and I'll go to the left hand side because it is less than. Again, greater than 3. So find 3 between 0 and 5. 1, 2, 3. Here I go. And then I move to the right hand side. Now, by looking at this, what can you say? What will you do? You will write down the number. What is the number here? 7. And if it is moving to the right, you will just write x greater than. Simple. Now, girls, what is the difference between both? This, they just made a circle. This J, they, colored it inside. Did you see the difference? There is a difference between this circle and this circle. What is the difference between both the circles? This circle is not filled with color. This circle
Yeah.
is filled with color. Just to let you know that this is greater than and equal to 6 and this is just greater than 3. Understood? Now see here.
Yeah.
The circle is empty. That means x is greater than 5. There is no equal sign.
Okay, miss, if there is like this.
That's what. You need to color it. Make it dark.
So it's if it's like
See,
if it's more than also, we're going to put it to the right.
What do you call this as? Tell me. You call this more than and equal. More than and equal to.
Yeah.
Miss, is the letter always wrote like we always write the letter first and then we put the sign and then we put the number,
course. This
right?
is compulsory. This is must. Even while writing the equation, I can never write 5 plus n. Mostly, the correct way is to write the letter first and now sometimes it is 5n. That time you write the number first. You never write n5. You write 5n. When the relation between is multiplication, you write the number first. There are few rules like that.
Okay.
Let us go your textbook now. See, practice things because we have time and I'm showing you. From those you always get in your test. That page was not there in your book. That is here practiced. Now, simple girls. W less than
Yes.
or equal to 8. Now, this is equal.
So it's left side.
Arc circle at 0.8. It is less than, I go to the left hand side till n and I put an arrow mark. Shade to the left of 0.8 to show that value is less than. Now come here, girls. This is n greater than minus.
Right.
I go to minus 3. I make it dark because it is equal to. And then I go to right side because of course it is greater than. But remember, girls, see minus 4 is greater than minus 2. Sorry, less than. Shade to the right side. Minus 3. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. 0 is greater than minus 3. It goes to the right side. Did you finish this?
Yes.
Come on. The circle is not colored. What does that mean? The equal sign must not be there. The circle is not colored and moving to the left side. That means you'll write X, you'll put a less than sign because it is moving to the left side, and you'll write minus 2. Am I correct? Very
Yeah.
good, girls. Go left side, put a, and I'm not putting an equal sign. Why? Because this is not colored. This is not filled.
Okay, Miss, why they put here is not a solution.
Okay, the empty circle at minus 2 shows that minus 2 is not a solution. That means it is not equal to 2. It has to be, means it has to be less than minus 2. Your answer can be minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, but not minus 2. If I say you must have more than 5. So is 5 real enough for you? I told you. See, Vateen, for this chocolate, you need to have more than 5. So is 5 your solution? No, you must have at least 6 reals, right?
Yeah.
That's why they write here, not a solution. If it is equal to,
It's a solution.
it's a solution.
Yeah, Miss, I'm done.
Lean, it has been a long time I did not hear your voice. If there's something wrong, at least chat, at least write me something. I miss you. I miss your voice, Lean. Here. I hope you understood this. M less than 15. When the word less than, I need to move to the left hand side. 15, just put a circle. That means it is not a 15, it is less than 15. C greater than equal to means it has to be 1.5. Between 1 and 1 and 2. Between minus and 1, minus 2, it will come as minus 1.5. You make it dark because even this is a solution, and then you go to the right side because it is greater than or equal. Less than equal, you make it dark. Now you will ask me, teacher, how do I know that 5 over 8 is between half and 3 over 4? Your question will be, teacher, how do I know that 5 over 8 is between half and 3 over 4? You want, girls?
Miss, I didn't understand. If the circle is not shaded, it's mean what?
The circle is colored. If it's this way, that means you don't have to put the equal sign. The equal sign is there means you need to put a dark circle.
So
And
that's
if
why
it's
you have to
shaded,
color it to make it dark, right?
Yes.
but if it's shaded, you have to put the equal sign, right?
Yes. It's almost like 0.6. Use 16. It's almost like 0.6, girls. 0.6 means it has to be after 0.5. Half is 0.5, right? Half means
Yeah,
5. It has to be after 0.5. So I put a dark circle here. And then I move to the left side because it is less than.
I'm done, Miss.
Lean, did you do it? Give me a moment, girls. I'll just grab my bottle and come. Yes. Who gets up and drink water every morning?
Me.
Hmm. How many glasses in the morning you drink before eating your breakfast?
2.
Me,
Very good.
like when I'm not thirsty until I'm not thirsty.
Now make a habit because you will never be thirsty if you feel like that. In the morning when you get up, just after you brush your teeth, you need to start with drink. If you're not, you don't have a habit of drinking water, you must at least start with 1 glass of water, Galia. Like I will say,
Okay.
I need to jump to your science class. What happened is like my body needs to get clean up. Like you have a cloth which gets dirty, like that my kidney when I'm eating my dinner, when I'm eating so every morning it needs to get clean up. If you don't drink such water, those small particles, they go and settle down in your kidney, and that make you tired, that make you feel tired, and that doesn't give a glow to your skin. Of course now it will give a glow because you all are very young and your skin, it's like very good layered, but later it might be an issue of the skin problem. You might get pimples, you might get boilers. So every morning start with 1 glass, and later on, like Vatin told, before your breakfast, like 15 minutes before your breakfast, you need to drink 2 glasses of water. Okay, Galia?
Okay.
You will see, and try to tell your parents, let them drink more water, because see, they're getting old day by day, and they will say they have pain in their legs, they have pain because of this. The toxins, the materials which are in the kidney that doesn't come out, that stay there for a longer time, that makes you feel tired, and that makes your legs pain and everything happen.
Yeah.
Okay, so even guide them, and
Okay.
they're old, you need to give them a glass of water and say that every morning before breakfast we all need to drink water. Clear?
Okay.
Mm. Now here, now this is on your own, please. Number 4, you are doing it by your own. One by one I'm gonna call you, and then you will do it with me. Come on. Right, 2 by 3. Okay, let us make, if it is 0, 0, and here, first of all, you must know 2 by 3, what does that mean? 3, 6, 18, that is 0.6. If this is 0 and 1, and this is 0.5 or 1 by 2, where is 2 by 3? Somewhere here. Okay? And of course, I'll not put a dark circle. I'll put a light circle, and I'll put a line here. Okay? Wait a minute, girls. I'm just calling somebody online. Okay, guys. So that's why you need to put an arrow mark. Don't forget to put an arrow mark here. And put the arrow till the last. Okay, and here you have -4. When I say -4, try to make 0. Try to make 0 here, somewhere here. -1, -2, -3, and -4, and 1, 2, and 3. Now, girls, when greater means it will move to right or left.
Greater, right.
Ah, so this is wrong, girls. Here it was less than. I didn't even see it, and you did not. It will move to here. It will move to right. Am I correct? And
Yes.
how about the circle? How will you make it?
Mm,
Not filled.
yeah.
Filled. Now comes the filled circle. Okay. 0 0.1, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.4, 0 0.5. It goes on. So now you have, let me put on 0.3, and then you go to the right side, and then you make a circle here, but the circle is filled circle. That circle is filled circle. Okay?
Okay.
All right, here I'll have 0, 1. Let me start with 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is to the left side because it is less than. And of course, it has to be a dark circle. All right?
Yes.
Clearly, it gives you 6. You write down 6 here, no dark circle, and less than 6. Greater than -7, and a dark circle because it is equal. And I'll write an equal here. Finished? Ghalia, did you finish?
This I'm in number 7.
Okay. Simple. Don't panic with the name, when it's written all this. Just see W greater than equal to 60, you can do it. C is less than 12 divided by 3. You know very well that when you divide 12 and 3, what do you get? You get C less than 4. So it's simple, same thing.
I'm done.
So homework and do on your own. You have done it.